Our task is to create a function that does 4 mathematical operations. The function should take 3 arguments, a operator and 2 values, and the function should return the result of the numbers after applying the chosen operation. How to go about this? So here we have the operator and 2 values, and we want to add up something. 2 return 10, for example. How can we do that? Let's say that we want to create a condition. If the operator is equal to a double equal sign, a plus sign. Oh well, let us actually return this. This should return a Boolean value, true. If this statement is true, colon, then we return value 1 plus value 2. And there we go. That's 10. And we can do that for the other 4 operations as well. If we're dealing with a minus, we can return the first value minus the second value. If we are dealing with a multiplication, we can multiply the first value with the second value. And if we are dealing with a division, we can divide the first value by the second one. There we go. Let's try out this one. 7. Okay. Looks like it's working. Let's test it out. And there we go. I hope this has been useful. Please consider dropping a like. I hope to see you in another video. Ciao.